Students, we are expected to find the angle between the two curves, y equal to x squared and y equal to x negative 3 raised to the power 2. Now, you have to know this important formula, which is the angle between the curves formula, which is given as tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 negative m2 divided by 1 positive m1 times m2, where m1 is the slope of curve 1 and m2 is the slope of curve 2. Now, having obtained this, what we are expected to do is to use this formula and solve the question. So foremost, what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the first curve. Consider y is equal to x squared, name it as 1, and y is equal to x negative 3 raised to the power 2 and name it as 2. Both of them have got y. So equating curve 1 or equation 1 and 2, we get, so what do we get? We would get x squared is equal to x negative 3 raised to the power 2. Now you can expand this, you get x squared negative 6x positive 9. On the left you get an x squared there. I can clearly cancel them. I can move all the quantities to the left, so that's going to be x squared negative x squared positive 6x negative 9 is equal to 0. These two quantities can be cancelled, giving me 6x negative 9, which means 6x is equal to 9, which means x is equal to 9 over 6. I can rewrite this as x is equal to 3, because 3 divides 9 3 times, 3 divides 6 2 times, so this is going to be 3 over 2. So this is the point we are looking for. Now we need to know when x is equal to 3 over 2, what happens to y? Just substitute in 1. Okay, so that would mean y will be equal to 3 over 2 raised to the power 2, which is 9 over 4. So we have got the point of intersection. So therefore, the point of intersection is 3, 2, 9, 4. Okay, so we have got that. Now we need to find the slope. So next step, okay, if I were to take this as step 2 and this one as step 1, in step 2 is to find the slope of curve 1. So how do we do that? We have got y is equal to x squared, so we find dy over dx, which is 2x. Now dy over dx at the point 3 over 2, 9 over 4. We need this point. Okay, so that is nothing but 2 of 3 over 2, because we just have x there, so substitute the x coordinate. So that would mean we got m1 to be as 3. Now step number 2, or I would say step number 3, find the slope of 2, negative 3. Now at the point 3 over 2, we need to find the slope, right? So at 3 over 2, my m2 is going to be 2 times of 3 over 2 negative 3, which is 2 times of 3 negative 6 divided by 2, which is going to be 2 times of negative 3 divided by 2, which is going to be negative 3. So this is my m2. So I have got my m1, I have got my m2. So I need to use the formula. So therefore, using the formula, we know that. So what do we know? We know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 negative m2 divided by 1 positive m1 m2. So this is equal to modulus of, my m1 is 3, my m2 is negative 3. So that's going to be negative of negative 3 divided by 1 positive 3 times negative 3. So that is equal to 3 positive 3 divided by 1 negative 9 modulus sign. This is equal to 6 divided by negative 8. This is what I'm getting. So this is equal to modulus of, now 2 divides 6 3 times, 2 divides 8 4 times. So it's going to be negative 3 of 4. Okay, this is actually negative 3 divided by 4, right? But you have a modulus sign, so that means you will get only 3 over 4. So this is tan theta, right? But we need theta, so therefore theta will be tan inverse of 3 divided by 4, which is the final answer to the question.